How to delete Doordash account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete Doordash account. Now, you're not able to delete the Doordash account on the Doordash app itself, so you want to open up a web browser instead and head over to doordash.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, on this web browser, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the account option. Now over here you have all of the profile information. You have the option of link Facebook, change password, and finally there is the option of manage account. Go ahead and tap on the manage account option over here. Now there are two options here. The first one is account data, where you can request an archive of your personal information. You can do this before deleting your account. Now the second option is to delete your account. Here it says you can request to have your account deleted and personal information removed. If you both have a DoorDash and Caviar account, then the information associated with both will be affected to the extent that DoorDash can identify the accounts are owned by the same user. So if you want to delete your DoorDash account, go ahead and tap on the delete account option over here. Now, if you have enabled two-step verification on your DoorDash account, you will have to complete that first. Then it's going to ask you to confirm if you want to delete your account. Go ahead and tap on the delete account option on that pop-up box. And once you do that, your DoorDash account will be successfully deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.